Hello stalkers, welcome back. In Friday's session, both the markets, that is DFM and ADX, closed green, which is positive. Let's have a weekly review. I'm on the weekly chart of Dubai Stock Market Index. We are seeing for the last 3 weeks, market is printing green candles, which is very good. We are seeing some buying momentum in bullish stocks. It's giving us opportunity to buy and make money. Let's focus on this area that is around 4080 points. This blue line is 20-day moving average that is acting as a resistance. Last week, check this out, when market was trying to break out, it got resisted. This blue line is resisting the market. It's also coinciding with our resistance area that is 4080 points. Overall, on the weekly chart, market is recovering very nicely. There are chances of continuation. What I think is, after printing 3 green candles back to back, most likely market will take a halt for a week here into this zone, and then we should see a break to the upside. On the weekly chart, next area of resistance is at 4140. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking, or how did the market perform last week. So this is the daily chart. It's looking very interesting. Just a quick recap. We saw market was trading within this tight range. It was trading within this symmetrical triangle pattern. We saw a break to the upside, very positive. On the way up, it broke 3 areas of resistance. First one is obviously 4015 points. Then we have a resistance at 4030 that was also taken out. And then 4050 points was also taken out very easily. We saw resistance exactly at 4080 points. Market has been trying for the last 4 days. It's getting rejected. As I had mentioned in my previous analysis, there are chances market would like to go sideways, establish a base, and then we will see a break to the upside most likely. Hit the like button if you are following this price action and you are understanding what I'm trying to tell you and how market is behaving right into the resistance. This is very important to understand. We did not see a deeper correction when it hit this zone. We did not see market coming down. It means buyers are still present in the market. They are sustaining and they are defending this zone. This is very positive. This is sign of bullishness. But as I also had mentioned, if at all market wants to come down from this zone after this move, it may establish a base here, go sideways. If it comes down for a retest at 4050 points, this should act as a support. If this is not holding up, then we have 4030 as our strong support. It may establish a base here, and then potentially we will see a break to the upside. Overall, on the daily chart, market is still looking positive. We are seeing a nice recovery from 4200. It came down till about 3945, and from here we are seeing a recovery. Yet let me remind you, it's not in an uptrend. We want to see a closing above 4080 points. To confirm, now bulls are in control, because there are chances, you never know. It may try multiple times, get rejected, and even come down till about 3980 area that was previously acting as a support. But let's be positive. I'm still bullish biased in the market. I'm expecting a break to the upside. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Looking very powerful, very positive. Market has started to rebound from 8700 area. From here we are seeing almost green candles. It took a pause for a week and then we are seeing continuation from here. Area of strong resistance now is at 9160. On the weekly chart, it's looking very powerful. Last weekly candle is also very strong and I'm expecting continuation. When I compare DFM with ADX, ADX market is looking more attractive. There are more opportunities in Abu Dhabi stock market. So on the weekly chart, we are not seeing any signs of weakness. I'm expecting a continuation to the upside. Let's go down to daily and see how the market performed last week. On the daily chart, we are seeing very positive price action. We are seeing nice recovery from 8700. Market went up. This area is resistance. It spent around 4 days here. It made a breakout. Again, it came back at the same zone, went sideways to establish a base. From here, we saw a breakout. When it came down to retest, this zone is now defended by the buyers. From here, we saw continuation to the upside. This is a perfect bullish scenario. It means buyers are now in control. But yet, we cannot confirm if the bull trend has started. Why is it? Because we want to see a clearance of this area that is at 9150. From here, we saw strong drop to the downside. Market has almost recovered and now it's test time for ADX market. Either it should break to the upside, come back for a retest, After a successful bounce from this zone, we can say now bulls are in control. ADX market is finally in an uptrend. Yet there are chances it may get rejected into this zone because we are seeing almost all green candles from 8,960. Check this out, market has already traveled almost 200 points without any correction. So I think it would be best if at all market can spend some time here, go sideways before it makes a breakout so that this move is sustainable and we don't see a failure. Otherwise, there are chances, as I just mentioned, rally has started from 8,950. There are chances if it goes directly up, we may see rejection. It may come down to retest any of the support zones again, establish a base here, and then we will see a breakout. Overall, on the daily chart, ADX market index is looking powerful. There are chances bull trend will start in this market very soon. Once this swing is taken out and retested successfully, then we can call it ADX market is now in an uptrend. For now, it's testing time. Let's see how the market performs coming week. It will be very interesting to see how the market unfolds right into this zone. This is the daily chart of Dana. I had recommended this stock in my Thursday's video. By any chance, if you have missed that, I will provide an iCard right at the top. Do watch it, it will help you. I had also recommended this stock in my members video. Our planned entry was above 0.680. Our first target was 0.690. As it was weekend, we would want to book our profits. And then our second target was at 0.700. Market was very near to our second target. It went up till about 0.697. Closing is at 0.696. This is still positive. There is still room for upside momentum. Area of resistance at 0.700. Once this is taken out, then we have a strong resistance between 0.705 and 0.715. If at all it continues its upside momentum directly, then I think it will see some kind of rejection here. It may go sideways and then come down for a correction. Dana is now bullish. Previously, as we know, it was getting resisted again and again by this trend line. This was the first time it got rejected, second attempt, and then it was continuously in downtrend from here. There were good chances of a breakout into this zone. Unfortunately, we did not see buying pressure that could break out this trend line, and from here it made a new low. But we can see somewhere around here into this zone right here from around 20th of February onwards, we are seeing sideways momentum. Again, it tried to break out on 6th of March. It was not successful, but lately I would say last week we saw a success with huge volumes, that is on 1st of July 2024, and from here we are seeing continuation to the upside. This is very positive price action. Just in case if you have missed your entries in Dana, I think now you are a bit late, because if at all you try to enter right at the top out of FOMO, resistance is very near. It may hit any of the resistance, that is 0.700 or even 0.705, and then come down for a correction which will block your money and you will see losses in your portfolio. So it's always advisable to enter at the time of breakout so that you can make good money out of this big momentum, rather than entering right at the top due to FOMO, that is fear of missing out, and then market comes down for a correction. This will definitely block your money and you will miss out opportunities in other stocks. Hit the like button if you agree with me and you understood this strategy. Let me give you another stock that is about to reverse, meaning here is a chance for early bird entry. I am on the daily chart of Bayat. We know it's in a strong downtrend. Right from the top, say around its peak was at this zone, that is about 6.20, and from here we are seeing decline, in fact a strong decline. It's been under selling pressure continuously, but lately we are seeing it has formed a chart pattern that is about to break out and reverse from here. So let's mark it on our chart. I would like to highlight this zone, that is 2.35. Once we see a solid breakout above this zone, and our planned entry should be about this area, that is when we see a solid closing about this zone with good volumes, then there are chances of reversal from here. First area of resistance is at 2.45. Once this is taken out, small correction most likely, and then we plan for 2.55. This is a strong area of resistance where market will definitely react. So in case if at all you are planning for entries at current zones, then you should plan this area in mid to short term and offload your quantities here. If you're planning for even long term, then your area of resistance is at 2.90. However, any entries should be planned with a stop loss, with proper risk management and money management too. So Bayat is most likely about to reverse. This is a chance for early bird entry. Definitely when we are planning for early bird entry, there are chances it can even come down as well. That's the reason, as I just mentioned, any entries should be planned with a proper stop loss, with your targets, with your quantities. Everything should be done in advance before you take any position. So planning is very important. I hope you understood this point as well. That's it guys for now. This was the update. Hit the like button to show your support. Subscribe for updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.